Lost shoes, missing permission slips, a 5-minute search for one backpack. Your entryway is causing your morning chaos, and here's how to fix it in one afternoon. Step 1. Mount hooks at kid height, about 30 to 36 inches off the floor. Install one hook per child for backpacks and one for coats, spaced 8 inches apart so bags don't tangle. Step 2. Add one open bin per family member below the hooks for shoes, gloves, and hats. Use labeled baskets so everyone grabs their own gear without digging through a shared pile. Step 3. Set up a charging shelf with a power strip and a small basket. Devices, tablets, and school-issued laptops plug in and charge overnight in one spot, not scattered on counters. Step 4. Add a launch pad tray by the door for outgoing items. Permission slips, library books, and lunchboxes go here the night before, so nothing gets forgotten at the last second. Pro tip, skip the deep bins. Shallow, open containers get used daily. Anything with a lid gets ignored within a week. What's your entryway hack? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.